Hi, this is Aman. Today we are in conversation with Abhay Thakkar. He's a new Code NLP practitioner, and I'm not going to tell you what that is about because that's what Abhay is going to come into the picture. So, Abhay, welcome to this little talk show of ours today.
Thank you, Aman.
Thank you for taking out time. Abhay, can you tell us what exactly NLP is about in layman's terms?
Sure. So NLP actually began by simply seeking excellence.
Okay.
Now at that time, the co-creators of NLP, John, Richard and Frank, all they did was seek excellence in the field of therapy and change work.
Okay.
And the way they learned was very interesting. All they did was imitate the best therapist out there.
Okay.
Whatever they did, they simply did it.
Okay.
Without having the conscious interference in it. Interestingly, they got the same results. So NLP is about excellence. Seeking excellence in every profession, every person, seeing it, observing it, knowing it, recognizing it, and simply taking it on. Specifically, their entire body. What's happening? For example, this kind of gestures, how's their breathing, everything.
Okay.
At the level of body.
Okay.
So it's first body, just do it. As John would say, just do it. And then move into the mind.
Is John associated with Nike? Nike must be.
It does.
So I'm sure you know Nike also uses it.
That's
Just do it. How does NLP work with the subconscious? My understanding is that it's quite a lot to do with mind work and mind psychology as such.
In fact, the original NLP, which started at 1972 to 1978, is what people call as NLP. Now that was actually very conscious mind-based, not subconscious mind-based.
Okay.
So in the new Code NLP, we use the power and wisdom of the subconscious. We make sure that the power and the wisdom of the unconscious mind is used in new Code NLP.
Okay.
So that's the new Code NLP.
So what is the best thing about New Code NLP? You mentioned something when we were chatting offline as such. Could you throw some more light on that?
Okay. Firstly, what I love a lot about New Code is the fun-based approach.
Okay.
Because in New Code NLP we play games.
Okay.
And one of the keys of the games is you have to enjoy.
Great.
If you enjoy, then you will get results. If you don't enjoy, you're not going to get results. That's crazy.
No, that's good. That's great.
So the other part of it is you have to only play it for 15 minutes.
Okay. What happens if you exceed 15?
You can. It's just that it's like a beja fry. A lot of
Okay.
So it's high performance state that we push the person into,
Okay.
which takes approximately 15 minutes on an average.
Understood.
So once the person has played it for 15 minutes, the person is into a high performance state.
Okay.
And John says problem is not the problem. The state in which you enter the problem is the problem.
I mean, I better do NLP every day. I have a lot of things to do and I'm going to learn, take some tricks from you to understand how to work on high performance all the time.
Yes.
So, I think to conclude, I would like to ask you, what are the challenges as such you have faced till now in using NLP with a particular seeker who's come to you for a course, for a session? Is there any challenge that you have faced till date?
Well, when it comes to courses, well, there are people who come with a very conscious mind approach.
Okay.
I want to understand it from a conscious mind. So I always have to bring it down to, hey, let's practice, just do it first.
Right,
Then
just do it.
Let's decode it later.
Right.
So at times I do have those kind of people, very conscious mind. So always I maintain, do
Experience.
experience, then think about it.
Right.
Well, for me personally, the biggest takeaway from NLP has been about excellence. Seeking excellence in people around you, right from a sweeper to anybody. It could be a driver, sweeper, CEO, anybody. Seeking excellence in them, as well as seeking excellence within. And operating out of it is something that I have taken away from NLP, and perhaps you can as well.
That's great. So thank you so much again for your time, and this has been a valuable conversation. So Abhay is our partner, healer and therapist on Life Positive. If you would like to approach him for a course, for a therapy, please go ahead. And as you know, he's very genuine and he's going to be able to transform your life. So thank you to him again.